Hi friends, in this video I will tell you about Redmi Note 5 Pro is my primary device from 7 days. Not 7 days, it's about 5 days. So here in this video I will do a camera comparison between a Redmi Note 4 and a Redmi Note 5, but only a rear camera comparison, not a front. So don't take any tension. So in a Redmi Note 5 Pro there is a 12 megapixel and a 5 megapixel 2 camera with a LED light, while in the Redmi Note 4 there is a 13 megapixel camera with a dual tone light. So here in this video I will tell you a few shots which are taken from a Redmi Note 4 and a Redmi Note 5 Pro. And there is also a Redmi Note 5 Pro. Redmi Note 5 Pro there is electronic image stabilization, which I will show you a comparison between a Redmi Note 4 and a Redmi Note 5 Pro. So stay tuned and I will show you how it works, and that's it. So all of this is the comparison of the Redmi Note 4 and a Redmi Note 5 Pro. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up to this video, and if you didn't like, then please comment down in the comment section below. After that, like, comment, share, and don't forget to hit subscribe button if you have visited this channel first time, and press the bell icon to get instant notification of my latest videos. Till that, sit back, relax, and do whatever you want to do.